Well, one of the things that I remember from Ed Stone's lecture is that every little bit of our story counts, our history, our story counts. Our DNA, our background, our family, the place we live in, and we need to compile all these things into a way of dealing with other people.
And very interesting reflections about this first lecture, because I reflected how many friends I have, and I found out that I have some, so I found lucky because he said so. If you could have 3 friends, one that could lend me money, the other give me food, and the other would help me in any kind of problem. So I think I answered, so I'm quite happy. But I'm quite disappointed also because I don't make calls to anyone except my mother, so family doesn't count, mom and father. So yes, I'm kind of sad because of it. So I feel myself a little bit unpopular now, but that's okay.
I learned that I should be more positive, that I should listen more, and that I should plan before I act.
Today I learned that I have to call to my friends because I get very happy when someone calls to me, but I do not call much.
I also reflected how much I'm not usually prepared to some activities and how preparedness is useful for any person for successful presentations and lessons.
And one of the things that I liked from Clan's lecture is learning about the experiments used to identify certain patterns of moral and how people react to them.
That was amazing, the explanation about the test and how people could be in this kind of situations.
I really like the experiments because they show us how people react and how they behave, and I found this really interesting.
I like the part that he says about a group of people influences the other group.
From the lecture today, I learned that sometimes I may not know what I should know, but this is not an excuse to do unethical things.